This is our Rexon ZYD200 transformer oil purifier machine, transformer oil filtration system. The capacity of this machine is 12,000 liters per hour. The double-stage vacuum system for this machine. And vacuum dehydration and degassing chamber. An electrical control system with PLC fully automatic control. From this side, we can see there are 4 stages filter elements. And this filter element can make the oil reach NAS 0 degree. Of course, this one is optional. And this is a switch system for the oil inlet and outlet. Users can freely use these two ports as inlet and outlet freely. Here is the heating system. 3 stages filters. And here we can see the oil inlet pump and the oil outlet pump. They are both from Italian same brand and with ABB motor. This is a vacuum pumping port for transformer evacuating. Now, let's have a look of the vacuum system again. This is the vacuum pump. Atlas GVS 300 model. And this is the root pump. The root pump is 2,000 liters or 2,000 cubic meters per hour. Vacuum pumping capacity. And here we can see there is a foam eliminator here. We can automatically defoam it for the machine. Okay, this is our transformer oil filtration system and the oil purification machine. Welcome to contact us for more information if you are interested. Thanks for your watch.